Everyone, let's start for the demonstration on advanced search tool by Innovativa Softech Solutions Private Limited. On text search tool, I am very glad to introduce this tool. Many times it happens that file name is totally different and it's highly impossible to locate that particular file. So let's see the file first. So I have purposefully renamed the file. It's ABCD, and actually file is on the base on eco continuous composter presentation. So let's see how to locate this file. Then again you have to go on a search option where you will get text search tool. You have to click on this option and mention a file name that you want to search. For example, I want to search eco continuous composter. And what is the file name? ABCD. You don't know the actual file name. So now let's see how to locate this. You have to browse a folder. Currently, I will browse a particular folder, but you can entirely select a drive also. So here is a demo folder where file has been located, and you have to say search, and you can check that in a few seconds file has been located. File name is ABCD, right? But you don't know the file name, but you want to search a eco continuous composter file, and result is here. So this tool will be so helpful in locating a file whether the file name is different. Text search tool actually read the content inside the file and locate the file for you. Even though at this place you can see for how many times that particular word has been reflected in file. You can see that in given file eco continuous composter word reflected at three places, at row number 20, row number 30 and row number 40. Now I will explain you on advanced filter. Here also we have integrated with the advanced filter tool where you can give date range, file type name and size name, and this will help you to get effective result. Though zip folders also can be located in text search, many other text search tool in a market may not support for zip folders. However, Innovativa Softech Solutions Text Search will support for zip folder also. It's my immense pleasure to introduce Open Global Search. On the dashboard itself, at the right hand side, it's Open Global Search. So this feature is as good as search tool only, but this is applicable for backup drives, backup servers. So you can keep adding many more drives and server to our software, and you have to simply say sync. First of all, you have to sync the data because these servers are not getting updated on day-to-day basis. But many times it happens that you need to take a backup or you need to have any single file from that particular folder or from a server. Data has been synchronized very well. You can check that there are 3,93,390 files and 1,21,934 folders are there. Now I will start for the demonstration on Open Global Search. You can search by files, folders and both the ways. Let's see the example of very common word, the. I have purposefully selected the article the. You can see that we could found 21,297 items with the name of the. So result is just fast and furious. Let's find out it on a laptop. If you search it on a laptop, result is very delaying, time consuming, and you may not get that appropriate result of 21,000 items. So this is a difference in searching the files on software and desktop. So it will save your time. It will definitely save your time in searching the file. This is applicable for cloud and server. If you really want to get a fast result, please download a software as soon as possible. So this is how advanced search tool by Innovativa Solutions will help you in troubleshooting the problem of search file. Thank you so much for watching this video. Please like, share, subscribe and follow us on our Facebook page.